I'm Taylor, and today on Math Tips, we will be talking about slope. So let's get started. Slope is seen everywhere in the world around us. Take these stairs, for example. Slope is even seen in nature. Take this leaf, for example. Slope's even in the ramp and handrails. Slope is important in the construction field especially. Slope helps dictate the best way to finish a project, like the roof on a building or a house. Since we use slope in our everyday life and it surrounds us, let's learn how to calculate it. So to find slope, we're going to start with this line right here. It's already on a graph for us. We're going to choose 2 points from this line. Could be any 2 points you like, but we're going to start with point 22. And our second point is going to be 0.55. These are the 2 points we're going to be using to find the slope of this line. Slope describes the steepness of a line or an object, such as the lines in the leaves. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 points and we're going to find the rate of change of y and the rate of change of the x values as well. And as we do this, we're going to label these so we don't get confused. This value is our x sub 1 value. This is our y sub 1 value. Now on the second point, we have our x sub 2 value and our y sub 2 value. To find the rate of change between these numbers, we need to subtract y2 from y1 and divide that by x2 minus x1. So let's do that. 5 minus 2 all over 5 minus 2. It won't be the same in every case as the one we chose here, but now we can subtract the two values. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 over 3 can be reduced to 1. 1 is our constant rate of change, which is also our slope. And many times, we label this slope as m. You will see that in future videos, so pay attention. So you ask, how does slope relate to our graph? And here's how. The change of rate in y is our rise. So our change of rate of y ended up being 3. This means we moved 3 up. Our change of rate in x is our run. This means we move 3 to the right. So another way to think of slope is rise over run, which is equal to our change in y over our change in x.
You've just learned that slope is equal to rise over run, and which is equal to the change in the y values over the change in the x values.
Thanks for joining me on Math Tips today. I hope you learned a little bit about slope. Until next time. There's also slope in nature. For this slope is seen everywhere in nature. Take this leaf, for example. So it needs to be down here?
Yeah.